If you want to disable tracking cookies in Mozilla Firefox and make your browsing a little more private, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to change the privacy settings in Firefox so you can block more trackers with just a few clicks. This is a simple setting, but it can make a big difference if you want fewer ads following you around the web and better control over your browsing data. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. It really helps the channel, and I appreciate it. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. Once Firefox is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the menu button, which looks like 3 horizontal lines. Click that menu button to open the main Firefox menu. From the menu, click Settings. This will take you into Firefox's Settings area, where you can adjust privacy, security, appearance, and other browser options. Now, on the left-hand panel, click Privacy and Security. This section contains the controls for tracking protection, cookies, permissions, and other privacy-related features. Once you're in Privacy and Security, scroll until you find Enhanced Tracking Protection. Under this section, select Strict. Choosing Strict tells Firefox to block more trackers, including many tracking cookies and other cross-site tracking technologies. After you select Strict, the setting is saved automatically, so there is nothing else you need to do. Just close the settings page, and Firefox will keep the new privacy setting in place. And that's it. You've now disabled more tracking by setting Mozilla Firefox to the strict Enhanced Tracking Protection mode. This is a great option if you want a stronger privacy experience while browsing the web. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step browser and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.